Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. For the first one, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we do first the derivative for the both sides. First, the derivative of u squared, you got about 2u du. First, the derivative of s squared, you got about 2s dx. Later that, we divide both sides by number 2. The square root, we change by u. S dx, we change by u du. And this one, we will have about the integration of du because u divided by u. And this one you got about u. And we put about c. About u, that's about this one. Now, this one we will use the same technique. But I just change about this one in here. And this one in here, we change by this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.